So you got a Cricut Maker 3, now what? Well, let me help you get it out of the box and we'll get started. Unpacking is a breeze. Cricut makes sure they include everything that you need to get started on your first project, like this sample vinyl and some instructions on how to register your machine. Let's get this beautiful machine out of the box once and for all and get on to our first project. Of course, we're going to need some of these cords, and here's some sample product that Cricut included, some of their smart materials. It's packed nicely with some protective film that we're going to remove, and then we're going to go ahead and get it plugged in. It comes with 2 cords, one for power, and this one here is used if you don't want to use the Bluetooth. And of course, we just need to plug this into a power outlet. We lift the lid and it opens automatically, and we'll remove this piece of foam, and let's look at this wonderful storage space. Okay, we have 2 housings here, one for a pen or scoring tool and the other one for a blade. And then we have our power buttons, our feeding buttons, our cut button, and pause button. We're going to go ahead and turn this baby on. Look at her go. She is so pretty. I just love this color. Okay, so now that it's turned on, we're going to go ahead and put the iPad here so I can register the machine. Yes, it has a section here for you to put your iPad, which is really handy. And if you have a USB, you can even plug it on the side. Okay, so just log in or register for the first time in Cricut Design Space. It's pretty self-explanatory. And once you're logged in, you're going to select your machine. Of course, we're looking at all the beautiful machines available, and we're going to select Cricut Maker 3. Make sure we have our Bluetooth and power on, and then we're going to continue to the next step. Okay, it looks like my machine needs an update. That's going to happen pretty quickly. By the way, I do have this video sped up, but it doesn't take very long to do any of these steps that I'm showing you. Once it's registered and ready to go, the machine is going to actually already get you started on your first project, and we're going to do a test cut with the Cricut smart vinyl that's included in the box. We're going to follow the prompts that are very handy. This smart vinyl, you don't need a mat. We're just going to go ahead and load it in, follow the prompts, and it tells us what button to push. I'm going to push the cut button, and it looks like a play button, but it's a cut button. And we're going to go ahead and let it do its magic. Again, I sped up this video for your viewing pleasure, but really it doesn't take very long to cut this word out. This is your test cut. And we'll just weed it really fast. I have a weeding tool here, and we're just going to weed the vinyl and reveal the 2 cuts. You have the background, and then you have the words that you could just take off with some transfer tape if you'd like. And that's really our first cut. So next you can go ahead and just scroll through Cricut Design Space. Here I'm showing you my profile. If you're looking for some simple designs to follow, I have things for all levels of expertise. So go ahead and look me up in Cricut Design Space. And next I'm going to show you some essentials that you're going to need to get started. I recommend getting this Cricut Matte Variety Pack. It has the light grip, the standard grip, and the strong grip, which is the purple one there. That one's used for heavy materials. Light grip is used for more like a paper, and the standard is good for vinyl. Next, we're going over the few samples that were included in the box. This is smart cardstock, and also there's some vinyl and some transfer tape and some HTV. Just a reminder, when you are cutting HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl, you're going to make sure that the shiny side is down and the matte side is up. Again, you'll want to use a matte if it's not smart vinyl that's made by Cricut. Smart vinyl and other smart materials are also available in rolls. They're available in various sizes, and all you need to do is just load them into your machine. You can load them like this, like I'm showing here. Again, shiny side down for HTV. Or you can use this handy roll holder. This is sold separately, as with all the materials that I'm showing you here. And what you'll do is you just go ahead and install it. There are some grooves on the back here. You place them to match the grooves on the machine, and then you load it with your smart materials. There is also a handy built-in cutter so that you can cut the vinyl right away, right when it's done cutting your design. Again, this is a recommended tool, but it's not essential. In order to use the smart vinyl, you can use it without. These are some new packs that I saw recently that Cricut came out with. They're kind of starter packs, and these are really great for you if you're going to try new techniques and you really don't want to invest a lot into tools that you may not need. So there's packs for vinyl, there's packs for iron-on, and there's packs for cardstock or paper. They each include the tools that you need from start to finish. They include the materials, and like this one includes a pen, a weeding tool, and a scraper. And also you can look up the design and it'll actually walk you through the process of creating the project. And now I'm going to show you some other tools that I recommend. I recommend that you get a pen, a scraper or a spatula, a weeding tool, a scoring tool, and a scissors, and a mini scraper, and I really like this extra large scraper. Another thing you might want to grab is this brayer. It's good to use when you want to lay your materials flat on your Cricut mats. It comes in handy. And that's it. We did it. We got the machine out of the box. Congratulations. Now you are ready to start your journey with your new Cricut Maker 3. Don't forget to visit my blog, follow me on social media, because I will show you daily Cricut projects, and many of them you can use with this machine. Thanks for watching.